Alright, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another video. Just by the title of this video, you can probably tell what this is all about, and if you're here just for sound clips, you can go ahead and skip to the end. But if you want to see what we're going to be doing here, stick around and we'll take you along for the adventure. But as some of you who are frequenters of the channel know, a while ago I actually had my muffler delete installed on the A3, and we're actually going to be switching back to the stock muffler today. Even though right now it is quarantine here in Canada, I actually am an essential worker right now, so I am doing a lot of daily driving to and from work, and it's getting a little bit unbearable. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw the stock muffler back on, but we're gonna keep the downpipe installed. So we're gonna be basically as stock with modified parts as we can be, and you know, look a little bit more stock. Yeah, we're just gonna jump right into this. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the muffler delete off. We're gonna chop the section that is welded in off, and then we're gonna just re-clamp the original muffler back on, but we're actually gonna use OEM Volkswagen exhaust clamps just to kind of keep it with that OEM look if I ever do decide to sell the car. But yeah, so without further ado, let's jump right into pulling the muffler delete off. All right, so we do have the car jacked up right now. One jack stand under the rear left side, just on the control arm here. You can see kind of what we're cooking with a couple months later on this muffler delete. Welds are starting to rust a little bit, so it's kind of a good time to start doing this. We're gonna be unbolting the exhaust clamp that is just down there, and then we're gonna slide this guy out and hack it right about there, and then exhaust clamp our muffler back on.
Coronavirus!
Good way to get engine mounts off if you have to deal with getting hangers out. WD-40 or any other kind of lubricant. Super helpful. Don't get it on your fucking power tools like I just did. Oh, there's another hanger. I did not realize that. Hello. And just like that, she's out. Alright, so let's fire up the Sawzall here and chop the muffler delete off. Also, don't forget to wear some motherfucking safety glasses, because you only get one set of eyes. Those aren't replaceable, at least yet. So we're gonna cut it as close to the original angle that the cut to do the muffler delete was made on. So it's a little bit of an angle like this. So it's gonna be a little bit of a slow process, but cool. It's pretty easy. So now we're just gonna clean up the cut a little bit here. Make sure we don't get anything in the exhaust we don't want. And don't touch your blades, it'll be hot. Alright, we're just gonna do a quick test fit here. That's good. So we're not going to tighten any of the bolts for the clamp for the downpipe to the mid pipe right now. We're just going to leave it loose so we can fit it all up. And then we're going to come back here and we are going to fit the original muffler in. That was easy. All right, so let's check and see just how loud this bad boy is now. It's pretty quiet now. I mean, it's still throaty, but let's see. So I'm just gonna bolt everything and tighten it all up, and then we'll go for a rip. It's a little bit laid out, so sorry if you can't really see much, but the muffler's on, going out for a little bit of a cruise, but literally like with the music completely off, like there's my foot into it. It's so quiet now, like I can literally hear my own thoughts for once in my car, and it's not unbearably loud. Like you hear boost noises now with the intake and the diverter valve, so that's kind of cool, but other than that, it is so stock sounding that it's kind of hard to believe that this thing even has a downpipe on it anymore. Like here, as I go around this corner, we got the window down now. Yeah, like it is so quiet. So quiet.